Mercedes-Maybach S600 Pullman. Luxury and exclusivity have always been the features that define a limousine. The passenger cabin should be therefore generously sized and well-equipped to maintain a great level of comfort and practicality with a length of nearly 6.5 meters and all sorts of electronic toys. Designed for no less than VIP-grade convenience, the Mercedes-Maybach S600 Pullman is an enviable ride. There's more than enough room in the rear for 4 passengers, 2 of which, presumably, the more important people in the group, occupy the standard specification executive seats facing the direction of the travel, whereas the other 2 face backward. The S600 Pullman is 100 millimeters higher than the Mercedes S-Class and over a meter longer than its less luxurious sibling, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. The result is a tangible increase in both legroom and headroom. In addition to the 18.5-inch monitor and Burmester surround sound system, the glass partition can be electronically lowered and turned from transparent to opaque with the press of a button. Klassen Range Rover Limousine. One experienced company to hire when you want to convert an already luxurious Maybach and Mercedes-Benz into more opulent ones is Klassen, based in Germany. Although it seems that the tuner has only done mostly cars from local manufacturers, the catalog also includes cars from all over the world, including the Land Rover Range Rover. In Klassen's specification, Range Rover Limo is 6.2 meters long to accommodate 4 seats in the passenger cabin. Those seats can be configured in pairs, so the occupants face each other, but buyers are allowed to order a custom-built model with just 2 seats in the back for greater legroom minibar and massaging leather seats. Come standard, the entire vehicle is armored to withstand up to 7th caliber 62mm bullets fired from a distance of 10 meters. Even the tires are bulletproof too. Lamborghini Aventador Limo. A UK-based company called Cars for Stars has been for a while wanting to transform an Aventador into a limo. In the realm of sports cars, this 6.5-liter V12 Lamborghini Aventador is one of the world's most incredible works of automotive engineering. The final product, which would be called simply Lamborghini Aventador Limo, remains a concept form. Now the vehicle appears to have a room for 8 people in the rear and 2 more in the front cabin. Instead of having just 2 scissor doors like a normal Aventador, it would have 4 for easier access. The steering wheel and speedometers still look pretty much like an unmodified Aventador, so does the Top Gun-inspired engine start button. Rolls-Royce Serenity Phantom. At the 85th Geneva International Motor Show in February 2015, Rolls-Royce sent the attendants to a pleasant shock with its unveiling of its one-of-a-kind Phantom called Serenity, featuring hand-woven silk and paint color known as Mother of Pearl. The automaker really did showcase its unrivaled ability in bespoke designing. The wooden accent of the Phantom Serenity is intricately made from smoked cherry wood, added with a bamboo inlay to give it a touch of Oriental style. As a matter of fact, almost the entirety of the vehicle's ornamentations are inspired by luxurious robes typically worn by imperial families and rich merchants in the Orient. Each interior panel in the Phantom Serenity is lined in silk, then hand-painted with crimson blossom petal. Up to 600 work hours went into every single panel, unlike a traditional limousine. However, it seats only 4 in total. Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine. The 21-foot Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine is a pure British-style luxury. It comes equipped with fold-out tables, iPad stations, and, of course, champagne flutes. You can expect it to fully preserve the aesthetic lines and performance of the base model. Yet the comfort department has been certainly revamped to the highest possible grade in the passenger cabin. There are seats for 4 and veneer to fold-out picnic tables so everyone can enjoy their drinks. Without having to hold the glass all the time, bottle cooler is between the front-facing seats, while a soft drink cabinet occupies the space between the rear-facing ones. Bentley also allows buyers to custom order the vehicle to any specification.